If you've been following along with us, you would know that earlier this year, we boarded our first Oasis-class ship, Allure of the Seas. Well, today, we just boarded Allure's sister, Harmony of the Seas. According to Google, Harmony of the Seas is 6 years newer than Allure of the Seas, and we're really excited to be on a ship that's less than 10 years old. So come along with us as we explore Harmony of the Seas and the new modern touches it has to offer.
Station, which is already open. You can find your station on the
We have
Royale
different
app,
color
the back of your stateroom door,
Oh,
and
yeah,
in
what
large
color are they?
print on your CPAS
Oh wow,
card.
those are fancy.
For children between the ages of 3 and 11 years old, youth safety wristbands can be found in your stateroom. And at this time, to let everyone know, your staterooms are open. Please make sure to bring your children
just
to the
boarded.
assembly station so we
Yeah,
can
we just
explain
figured
safety
that out.
1, 2, 3. Remember,
time
the
is
sooner
it?
you check into your assigned station, the sooner you can
11:30?
all get back to your incredible career.
Check this out, guys. Doors are wide open, and
At
it's
noon.
about just right at noon. But
We're the first cruise to sail out of Galveston, and there weren't passengers when it came into Galveston. Harmony left Miami, and then it came to Galveston without passengers, so everything's clean, everything's ready, and this is awesome.
yeah, usually we have to wait till like 1 o'clock.
Yeah,
But
we carried on our luggage, just dropped it off, and now we're gonna go to the Windjammer. So we made it to the Windjammer. I got a burger patty, some roasted pumpkin. Halloween was yesterday, so we're still writing on the pumpkin, and green beans, and then a chickpea salad.
So, and of course, burgers and fries, like always on Embarkation Day. So, but we're sitting right by the window, looking at the sport court area. Some people playing basketball. So, nice. We don't have to worry about luggage. That's nice.
It is nice. It was so nice to go straight to the room, drop the luggage off, and I totally understand why on a normal cruise, when you have passengers getting off on the same day as you have new passengers coming on, that the rooms aren't ready. But it is so nice to have the rooms
Yeah.
ready.
That was cool.
So we're enjoying that for now.
And just like that, we go from lunch at the Windjammer to Claire riding the Carousel.
Thank you, thank you.
So how was it?
It was a little long, but it was fun.
It was funny.
It was maybe like 20 seconds too long. I was like, okay, you've been here for a while.
It was so small.
It was small, but it's included. Can't
Yeah.
complain. I think it's a face.
What, the sculpture that's turning?
Yeah, I think it turns into a face. Oh, yeah, look, it's a face now.
Well, who is it?
I don't know. Generic man.
Huh. It's pretty cool though. That it rotates. There he goes. Neat. Okay, we need to go find the dining room.
Yep, check this out. Michael got jealous.
A few moments later.
So something that is fairly new, as of I believe it's this past summer, is the Starbucks Been There mug series. Now it has the Royal Caribbean ships on it. So each Royal Caribbean ship with a freestanding Starbucks kiosk. So something similar to what we're thinking, what we saw on like Mariner of the Seas. Of course, here, Harmony of the Seas, we did also see it on Allure of the Seas. But they have the mug specific for the ships. So we also have the Royal Caribbean Crown and Anchor, and then the little Starbucks logo as well. But just some cool little tidbits from the ship and a good takeaway. So we're excited that we finally got our hands on these.
And with gratuity, they cost
$20. Yeah, so a little bit expensive, but definitely a nice collectible item if you go on several of these ships with the freestanding kiosk, Starbucks kiosk.
So especially for those that collect the Starbucks mugs,
Yeah.
now you can collect the Starbucks Royal
Yeah.
Caribbean mugs.
So I think it's a really cool addition to the series. So
Yeah.
very exciting.
Very neat. Look how close we are to the parking lot. Here's the little building. My car is right there in the covered north parking lot. That's how close it is. So now I don't even know where we're at. We're outside the solarium.
Yeah, I think it's
It's actually
14-ish.
14-ish little wings
Yeah.
off the solarium. Sail away is 4 o'clock. But my sister and Charlene, her husband, are here with us. Whoa. Loud.
Sounds like the inside of our room when the announcement's on.
Yeah. It was really loud.
I guess we're gonna be moving. Oh yeah, our line's off. That front line's off.
They've been taking off the lines.
But that one was still on.
Huh.
And that was the last one to go.
So we're kind of curious how we're moving out of here since we're backwards.
Yeah, normally they have forward pointing that way. They back in when they come in and they just go straight out. But
See, now we're
kind of
moving
backwards right now.
moving laterally.
Yeah.
See, moving away from the dock here. But it's crowded. It's a little wing area. You filming me?
Behind the scenes.
Of me fishing with my 360 camera.
Yeah.
Just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
Okay, so we officially sailed away.
That was so cool. Cruise nerds.
Hey, look, it's our new sign.
New branding.
Yeah, first time using it. So that was pretty cool watching the ship basically turn a 180 out of the dock, and now we're headed out in the channel of Galveston and on our way. So it's pretty neat. We've never actually seen that happen before here in Galveston, where the ship was docked backwards, if you will. So it was fun to watch it turn 180. But now we're going to get ready for dinner and see what else to do, since this is kind of a short 4-night cruise on this large ship. So last time we were on Allure of the Seas on a 4-night, it was kind of quick.
It was too quick. We did not see that whole ship.
Yeah. So, but we're going to do as much as we can. Maybe have to take another trip on Harmony of Seas.
You
Maybe.
know, this, like we said, the newest ship that we've been on, and it is nice to have like the more modern amenities, like a plug by the bed, like just small things that you get so used to in your day-to-day life.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm really interested to see like even what the Wonder of the Seas is like. Like what do they add to bring things to even more advanced technology?
Yeah.
Technology.
Even the finishes are
Yeah, they're
really nice.
Just like things that you would see in like a trendy home today, which
Yeah.
I'm sure when Grandeur of the Seas was built, that's how the people felt about it.
Yeah.
But Grandeur holds a special place in my heart.
So now this is what, our 4th cruise of the year, the newest ship of the year, the newest ship period. But I guess we'll talk about the other upcoming cruises later. Oh, and we did put out a poll of a couple of cruises that you
We
guys
do have booked. We have the cruises
Yeah,
booked.
those cruises are booked. So this one, Harmony of the Seas, Virgin Scarlet Lady, Independence of the Seas, which we've done before, and then Disney Magic. So those are upcoming.
in the next year. At some
And
point.
then, so like I was saying, we did put a poll out there on which ones that you guys would be most excited about. And the cruise that we're on right now, Harmony of the Seas, won.
And I
They
can
got
see why.
48% of the votes.
There's a lot of traffic out there. Do you see
And,
all the ship traffic?
Oh, I know. There's tons. Tons of these large,
The barges.
yeah.
Sorry.
But yeah, 48%. voters for this cruise. So we're excited about this cruise. We're excited about all of them, really.
Yeah.
I think the next one was Virgin Scarlet Lady,
Which is our next booked cruise.
Yeah. Followed by coming in third as Disney Magic,
Okay. So
which
that's
I'm not
like-
surprised.
Yeah.
And Independence of the Seas came in fourth, which is, I guess I get it. It is a pretty normal
So
ship.
I did see a comment of somebody saying that they were interested to see our take of Independence of the Seas.
Oh, yeah.
We have done the Independence of the Seas before, and
Yeah.
if it gives you any hint of what we might think of it, we really like it because we're doing it again.
Oh, it's definitely one of our favorite
Yes,
ships.
yes.
I think we say that about every ship that we're on.
Well, I don't know. Independence is just I love grandeur. I love independence, and I'm liking harmony.
So yeah, I mean, Harmony, we got lucky. It was coming from Florida. We can't remember what city or port it was coming
I
from.
want to say it was Miami. It was somewhere in
But-
Florida. Definitely somewhere in Florida.
Either way, this is, well, we'll call it the inaugural sailing out of Galveston for
Yeah.
Harmony.
Very
So there
fun.
was no passengers on the cruise before us for at least 4 days, I believe. So it was nice to get on the ship quickly, get to our room immediately instead of having to wait around. So that was nice. But
Well, next we have main
Dinner.
dining room dinner, welcome aboard menu.
so we'll see what that is. We've probably had it many times.
Yeah.
Okay, so what did you get?
The roasted tomato soup.
Roasted tomato soup, and then I got a Caesar salad. But check it out. There's Charlene. She was in a vlog long time ago.
Yes. I'm now here. And
Justin's here, but he doesn't want to be on video, so say hi. So Claire got, what is that?
Hand-seared fish fillet.
So I'm hoping like, and I got the prime rib, but I'm hoping these horizontal weird lines I'm seeing on the screen go away. Maybe, hopefully, it's probably just the lighting. What did you get, Charlene? Chicken? This is what I almost got, the fried chicken.
chicken and corn with honey.
Oh.
Cheese looks good.
So, won't ask Justin because he's shy. Prime rib looks good.
Yes.
You got,
Dark chocolate custard, which is what I always get on
you
Embarkation
do always
Day.
get that. I got some peanut butter
Crunch.
caramel something bar. I don't remember what it's called. That's a Boston cream pie, right? That's cool. And then ice cream. Neil's ice cream, but he also gave us a couple scoops of ice cream here too, so that's cool. Finished dinner and Claire's like, I want to go spin. Well, here we are at the casino. Okay, now we're in the non-smoking casino Royale. Sweet. So the non-smoking casino's really small. Not very many machines in there.
But
So-
not bad machines.
Yeah.
Just not in large
Yeah, they still
quantity.
have
They're
good
all
machines.
taken.
It was crowded, but too small for how many people are in there.
So we're in a smoking.
Casino was not lucky to us.
But we are in luck because we were on deck 4 and the comedy show's on deck 4.
That's the only thing that's a positive
I
right
got
now.
a good bonus on the casino.
Oh well. Gaining points. Gaining points. Oh, what happened? Did you drop something?
Yeah, my money.
Need that. Chocolate martinis.
Chocolate martini.
Huh?
Chocolate martini.
Nice.
When I ordered, I accidentally said espresso martini, but I knew I didn't want to put them through getting espresso. So
Oh, that's true. Those look good though.
they do look good.
Yeah, so these look pretty good. But they didn't fill them up all the way.
I know.
Oh well.
I don't think you trusted me very much.
To walk over here. But check it out. Waited for the comedian to show up here at the attic. It got pretty crowded quickly, and you have to make a reservation like super
I
soon.
think I made it at 2 o'clock in the morning.
What
and
day though? How long ago?
I saw a Facebook post that the reservations were open, so I was up because I couldn't fall back to sleep. So I thought I might as well make the reservations. So So I snagged this, and then Charlene and Justin tried to do it like the next day,
Yeah, they couldn't get in.
and they couldn't get into this. So the
Yeah.
comedy shows really fill up.
Filled up quick.
But there is standby. So if you don't get into a reservation, you can always try standby.
There is, but it's a pretty small venue here. But very intimate seating. Stage is super close. Oh, our first time outside in Central Park. So the big difference here is they actually have trees and plants and everything, whereas on Allure back in January, were we here in January on
We
Allure?
were here in January.
Dead,
on
all
Allure,
dead
yeah.
right after the freeze. Oh, it looks so good, and the weather's like perfect. So we're standing outside some of these shops. We have Cartier here and some other expensive bougie places, but we found this little niche right here. It's kind of cool.
It's blocked from the wind.
Yeah, it's a little chilly still. Guess we're not close enough to Cozumel.
Yeah, not yet.
And there's a guitar player, just really nice.
Central Park is so perfect. I
Yeah.
wish this was on every show. This is so nice.
Yeah, Central Park is awesome. And it's really different with the plants and trees.
Yes. When we were on Allure in January, everything was dead because we had a hard freeze. Everything was dead, and it's just so beautiful. I can't explain this feeling. It's just so nice.
It's beautiful out here. But yeah, today was a long day, but it was a fun day.
It was a fun day. First day aboard Harmony of the Seas. Really enjoying it so far. And we're looking forward to the rest of our cruise.
Yeah, maybe we can get my sister on this a little bit more,
Yeah.
but we'll see.
And tomorrow night, we're having specialty dining at Wonderland. So we're really excited about that.
Yeah, that'll be a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Purposely didn't look at the menu just to stay surprised.
The menu's crazy.
So
It's a little bit weird.
we have a sea day tomorrow.
I feel like Wonderland is trying to be like a Michelin star restaurant where it's like a little bit different than your typical restaurant, but I'm really excited.
Okay. We know from experience that we typically don't get a tail animal in first night.
Right.
So let's find out. Oh, you gotta put your card in. As expected, no tail animal. Well guys, that's all we had for today, Embarkation Day of Harmony of the Seas. It's been a lot of fun. A lot of fun exploring this new ship. It's we definitely got lucky, you know, getting on a 4-night cruise on Harmony of the Seas out of Galveston. Yeah, that's likely not going to happen since this is going to be typically a 7-night cruise. So we got lucky being it's what we're calling inaugural quote unquote cruise. So coming out of Galveston, it just, like we were mentioning earlier, it just came out of Florida. We can't remember if it was Miami or Port Canaveral, just really can't remember, but it's here now. So it'll be in the Galveston port for, I don't know, probably through most of next year. So we're excited that it's here. Sad that Allure of the Seas is back in Florida, but Harmony will be a lot of fun. So definitely check it out, especially if you're, you know, in the Texas, Houston area. So, but with that, I have a long day tomorrow, sea day. So we're gonna have a lot of fun, especially checking out Wonderland for dining tomorrow. So with that, see you guys tomorrow.